This contraption, it's actually a platform, a raised platform for me to be able to cut or chainsaw the logs easily. Basically, you load it up with logs here, and working from the side, you then use the chainsaw and cut it down. It's though it looks small, but it's quite sturdy with a very broad base. And timber platforms, so that in case if I go a bit crazy with the chainsaw, it doesn't actually damage the chain. As you can see, I've managed to cut into the wood. It is at a good height for working, save the backs a lot, and you'll be able to saw the logs all in one hit, about 5 or 6 in one go. It is actually very quick and efficient, and save a lot of petrol. I put a wheelbarrow underneath. You notice that the height is just nice. If I put the wheelbarrow underneath while I'm doing the sawing, the wood actually drops down nicely into the wheelbarrow, and I'll just wheel it over to the side and stack it up over there. So it's another project made from recycled materials, old woods and pieces of metal and whatnot. Poke them together. Real easy, doesn't take long to do, and save a lot of back breakings.